Welcome back. Well, today's Pinch of Health has Chef Tarun once again teaching us some quick recipes, so check it out.
Hello viewers, this is Tarun here. Welcome to Pinch of Health. Today I'm going to make a super easy salad. Yes, because eating salad in one of your important meal of the day, you can, it's an important thing which you can adapt in your daily lives as well. You can choose your own fruits and vegetables here. You can use your lentils, legumes, rice, grains, anything which you like. So let's see what do we need. We have apples, fresh cucumbers, we have jalapenos which will add a nice crunch to your dish and spiciness as well. We have some kidney beans, we have some fresh pomegranates, tomato, onions, and I have this beautiful, good looking iceberg lettuce which is very crunchy, super delicious and one of my favorite as well. So let's begin with the dressing. I'm gonna take fresh low fat yogurt, about 2 spoons here, tahini which is roasted sesame paste. It will give a nice color to the dressing and it will give a nice flavor and balance to the dressing as well. So let's take about 1 spoon here. Pinch of salt, pinch of pepper. So let's take some extra virgin olive oil. It will give shiny glaze to our dressing. So that's it. It's time to blend in. So this is our tahini yogurty dressing is ready to go. So dressing is done, now we come to the veggies. We cut the edges, we'll cut it in the center. Now we will slit it in the half. So we'll cut about half cucumber. This is my mixing bowl here. I'm gonna take some cucumbers here. Apple. So we'll remove the seeds. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna thinly slice the apple here. So let's take the apples also. So we'll take some fresh tomato. We'll cut it into half. We'll just remove the eye here because we don't want in the salad because it's not that edible as well. And I'm going to cut my tomato into cubes. Let's put it in the bowl. So let's take onion. For the salad, I'm gonna take only half an onion, thinly slice it. And I'm going to open the veggies here. So we'll take chilies. And I think that should be enough because it's gonna be super spicy. Some kidney beans. Some pomegranate seed, fresh mint. I'm not going to chop them up, I'm just going to break them with my fingers because otherwise they will start turning black and it gives a natural nice minty flavor to the salad as well. Iceberg lettuce. These are pre-washed and I'm just going to break them into small pieces so that it will mix properly in the salad. Now it's time to add my dressing. Let's open the jar. Wow. Time to mix the salad. Nice vibrant colors. I know some people are allergic to salads. I hope you're not one of them, but maybe after looking this, you'll start having salads now. So my salad is perfectly mixed here. Put it in the bowl. Just look at that. It has some apple, cucumber, crunchy onions. The salad has everything. You can see the colors here, you can see different textures, full of nutrition and a pinch of spice in it. Let's do some garnish. We have a tomato quinoa puff. It will add a crunch to your salad. Pomegranate molasses. It will add a kick to your salad and it's a very Mediterranean flavor. So let's go with this. About 1 spoon. Our salad is ready and now we need something healthy to drink with it. Today we'll make blueberry banana smoothie. So we have banana here, which is known for its high potassium content, blueberries, which is rich in antioxidant, flax seeds, which is really good source of omega-3 fats, low fat yogurt of course, and coconut water. So let's start with bananas. That goes right into the blender. Fresh blueberries, about handful. About 2 spoons of yogurt. So let's add coconut water to give it a refreshing flavor. Around 1 cup. And flax seeds. So we'll not add any sugar here and we'll try to eat it healthy because most of our sugar is coming from bananas. So let's go with this. So our blueberry banana smoothie is ready to go. This is my salad, this is my drink. I'm all set for the weekend. What about you? Before we go, let's take a quick recap. So let's begin with the dressing.
Low fat yogurt 2 tablespoon, tahini 1 tablespoon, salt, black pepper powder pinch, extra virgin olive oil 1 tablespoon. Let's blend. For salad, diced cucumber half sliced apples, 1 diced tomato, half sliced onion, half sliced jalapenos, 2 tablespoon kidney beans, 2 tablespoon pomegranate seeds, 3-4 fresh mint leaves, 1 cup iceberg lettuce. Let's put the dressing. Let's shuffle the salad. For garnish, tomato quinoa puff 2 tablespoon, pomegranate molasses 1 tablespoon. For banana blueberry smoothie, 1 banana, 1/4 cup blueberry, low fat yogurt 2 tablespoon, coconut water 1 cup, flax seeds 1 tablespoon. Let's blend. Ready to serve.
So this is me, Tarun, signing off. I'll see you next week with more exciting dishes. Keep watching Zee Connect.